Hey, what's up guys? So we're out here at another rehab and it looks really nice. I don't know if you can see like the flooring and the transition. It looks really beautiful. Sorry, it's dark. I don't feel like turning on the lights. And it turned out really great. Nice little backyard out there. Big old bay window. This is a great little find that we got. I don't know if you saw the kitchen. Pretty nice. It's pretty dirty in here. I'm not gonna go into specifics, but this is the master. You got like a closet in there for coats. Then you have, walk-in closet. Flooring looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Got a wet closet. And they locked it from the inside. You open that up. And nice little long hallway this way. This place was dirty. It was pretty filthy. Again, if the owners are watching, I don't want to offend. So we did a good cleanup job on this. It looks like a normal house now. It's pretty incredible. Got your laundry room in here. Inside, not outside, so you're not out in the scorching heat. And then we have a garage out here. Oh, I guess the lights don't work. Nice little HVAC, water heater, filtration system right there. Looks nice. Solar panel system. Talk about a deal. 40 G's were spent on this solar panel. I think the monthly payments are like non-existent. Little side lot. Side area. Fascia looks really good. There's that solar panel stuff. Completely paid off. Oh, close that. There you go. Garage door. More paint. Everything's done up pretty good. It's clean. Oh wow. Unrecognizable, let me tell you. It was pretty bad. But no, it looks pretty good. Flooring. No packet right there. Boom. Beautiful home, only $325. You're not gonna see that in California. Little corner lot. Look at that. You got the view of the mountains over here on this side. Oh my. Oh yeah. Partially cloudy day. Yeah, pretty cool find. Not bad for $325. All right, hope you guys enjoyed.